So here we have a fairly easy SAT math question. This is probably one of the more easier questions you can get on the test. So it's good to start with easier questions like this when you're practicing. So let's do it. So it says, which expression is equivalent to 16x cubed y squared plus 14xy? So the simplest way to solving this is to look for a factor, right? And you can know that 2 is going to be a common factor of 16 and 14 in this case, right? Now, if we bring this down to simpler terms, if we understand distributive property, we know that this is to multiply into this and this is to multiply into that. So let's do that. 2xy times 8x is going to give us 16x squared y squared. Now this is not equal to what we have here, so we can get rid of a. We know it's not going to be a or c or d, because 14 times 2, it's too big. 14 times 8, too big. Now, this should be our answer in technicality. And to confirm this, just before we select it, we have an x squared here. Remember, x squared times x, we're going to get our x cubed, right? So we know this is going to be 16x cubed y squared. And this 2xy multiplied by 7 is going to give us plus 14xy. And that's it to solving this question.